Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the problem reverse prefix of word. This is a simple implementation based problem. We're given a string, for instance this one single letter, for instance this one. We have to find the first occurrence of that letter in our string, and if it appears, then we have to reverse the first prefix that includes that character. So essentially we have to just reverse from the beginning to the first occurrence of our character. If it doesn't occur, then we do nothing. And we can do so without thinking, just implementing it. So we take our string and we find the index of the first occurrence of our character. If this method find returns -1, that means that this character does not occur in our string, so we just return the string unchanged. Otherwise, we have to reverse this prefix that we found up to position ix and the rest leave unchanged. One way to do so: in Python we have immutable strings, and we have this nice indexing called slicing. So the way to think about this, it's typically start, then stop, then step. So here we want to reverse the prefix up to index, so we start at index. We omit the stop, which means that we stop when we reach a boundary of the word, and we go -1 step at a time, so we go back one step at a time, starting from index, ending at the beginning. And then the rest we just take from the next position after index, and we omit stop and step, which means that we want to go step by step, one character by one character, until the end of the string. So this is a quick primer on how to write slices in Python.